Alright, so positive day, Gilivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from My Game Change Project. Magandang mainit na hapon sa lahat ng mga Gilivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yung Doc Gigi Sunga. Alright, so kapon namigay na tayo ng donations sa lahat ng frontliner, sa mga frontliners natin. Hindi mo lahat. 40 plus, meron pa tayong mga ilang nabigyan sa ibang pang agency. So, yon. Napamigay tayo ng mga goods. So, salamat sa lahat ng mga nag-donate sa 1K drive. Okay, through GDS Corporate Training. And open pa rin po tayo sa lahat ng mga gusto magbigay ng donations. Okay, may batch 2 tayo. Alright, so, ganito. Sa kainitan po ng tanghali ay magkape tayo. Magkape tayo, mga delivers. So, hope you're fine. And okay lang po kayo. Alright, so, you need to do these 3 things so that you can still have income right now. So, sa mga delivers natin na nagtatanong, how's your business? Nag-stop na ba? Okay. So, may mga negosyo tayo nag-stop, right? Madami. So, and marami tayong mga transaction na nag-stop muna. Pero, meron pa rin naman tayong mga income. So, 7 streams of incomes na tuloy pa rin sa atin because of these 3 things. So, I'm sharing this sa inyo just for one reason, that is for you to have an inspiration or to have a guide, or you might want to do the same thing na pwede mo gawin yung 3 bagay na to para at least in times of crisis like this, you can still have source of income aside from your career, aside from your full-time job. Kasi ngayon may mga kababayan naman tayo na may sweldo naman sila. If you are employed in public or private, may mga private naman na nagbibigay pa rin naman na 100% salary. Congratulations sa inyo. At thank you for helping our kababayan, di ba? So, you might just want to add these sources of income by doing these 3 things. Okay? So, bago yung 3 things na yon, sabihin ko muna, ano pa yung mga how do I earn money like in the times like this, like COVID-19. So, let me give you 7. So, I'm sure naulaan nyo na, di ba? Kasi sa lahat delivers natin na nakasubaybay mula pa nung start natin. So, syempre, number 1 natin, I have my YouTube channel. So, it's still giving me dollars. Like, doon kasi sa tapat ni Aling Tisay, kung natatanay sa Aling Tisay, meron po itong Western. So, nakuha pa rin naman natin. Nagbigay pa rin naman sa YouTube. And every day, I'm checking. May dollars pa rin naman tayong dumarating daily. Okay? So, that's 1. Second income na dire-diretso pa rin ngayon ay yan. So, I have my e-products. So, my first e-product, that is, the first e-course is Biblical Principles on How to Become Rich. And the second one na ginagawa natin, matatapos siya Friday na editing na aking team. So, pwede rin siyang bilhin for only 3,500. How to start a scalable business. And now, I'm doing the script. Tinatapos ko na po yung script on how to become the next rockstar speaker. Yeah, so e-products, okay? So e-commerce, alright? And third is I still do online coaching. Yeah. Coach ba? Yeah. Spelling mo doon. Online coaching like kahapon, every afternoon meron tayong isang deliver from Australia. Nagwa one-on-one kami online on how to become a speaker. So, nag-start na tayo. Naka-3 sessions na kami. So, I'm still doing that. And gusto pa rin magpa-coach on preparations after ng COVID. What shall they do? Anong pwede nilang gawin? So, ongoing pa rin yung ating coaching. Okay? And number 4 is yan. So, investment. As you know, syempre, ngayon, down talaga yung mga investments sa stock market, crash talaga. So, lugi. Yung iba, maraming investment na lugi. Pero may mga investment na guaranteed na meron pa rin. Like, nagkaroon kasi ako ng chance and opportunity na magkaroon ng isang investment in one company na guaranteed 4%. So, nag-inisyuan na ako ng check. So, every 7th of the month. So, yan, 8. Every 8th of the month. So, nasa akin yung check, post-dated. So, i-encash ko lang. Okay? So, meron tayong, ano doon, okay din naman siya. Parang equivalent to 1 salary na ng isang regular employee ang ating income doon sa investment. So, kasi nasa akin na yung check. So, okay lang din naman. It's tuloy-tuloy yun hanggang nasa kanila. Or, inisyuan na ako ng check hanggang December. Okay? Alright, so what else? Number 5 is business consultancy. Yan. So, nakapag-consult pa rin naman tayo kasi meron tayong client ngayon na is working pa rin naman yung kanilang social media. So, I'm giving inputs kung ano nalagay sa social media. Then, nagpa-plan kami through online. So, nag-uusap kami ng team. May team kami. Meron siyang, may team kasi yung school. So, ako din naman. So, nag-uusap kami para sa plan and how to keep their students. Kasi kailangan may contact pa rin tayo sa clients natin ngayon. So, like sila, sa estudyante nila. So, I'm giving input on how they can still, maintain their students ngayong darating na pasukan. Okay, that's very important. Alright, and number 6 is advertising. Yan. So, may nagpa-advertise pa rin naman sa atin mga businesses. So, ngayon, gagawa natin yung isa, vitamin C yun eh. So, hindi na umabot yung, baka hindi makarating kasing product. So, kahit drawing na lang, gagawa na natin siya. So, kasi may advertising fee tayo for that. So, may nagpapa-advertise pa rin naman. Channel, product. So, yun, we are still receiving income from that. Okay, and number 7 is content writing. Through, may isa tayong client na natapos sa Bureau of Fire. So, I did e-learning content. Yan, sa mga supervisors ng fire department nila sa Region 3. So, nagawa ko ng content. Pawis po, no? Sorry kasi pag nag-aircon po tayo, maingay eh. Mainit kasi. Summer. Okay. So, maganda po yan para yung mga virus daw hindi masyado makapenetrate sa atin, naiinitan, okay? So, yan, okay. So, these are the 7 sources of income na tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman sa ating, business. Though, sabi ko nga, may mga na-cancel tayo mga ang tawag dito, transaction. So, it's okay, okay? Alright, so, paano nangyayari yan, Dok? Sa you are blessed na meron ka pa rin ganyan income. Yan, nagpapasalamat ako sa kay Lord kasi sa dami ng tao, isa ako sa nabiyayaan na magkaroon pa rin ng source of income in spite of what's happening, okay? So, because of these 3 things, so, number 1, ayan. So, I offered to, I have 2 types of businesses. So, nagkaroon ako ng, I'm selling products and at the same time, I'm offering services, okay? So, may products tayo, like yung mga t-shirt natin. Ito, binibenta natin to, I can change shirt. Then, meron tayong clothing trading, we're selling overhand products, slippers, bags, and all that things, no? So, meron tayong ganung products na binebenta. And at the same time, may services, like consultancy. Ito, mga services kasi yan eh. Okay, so, nag-venture ako into 2 things. Alright, so, ganun din gawin mo ngayon. So, kung meron ka ngayong products na binebenta, okay lang yan. Try to see ano pang services yung pwede mong i-serve. Okay, ang dami pa naman services, just looking to mag-inventory ka lang sa sarili mo kung ano yung mga pwede mong gawin. So, na services para magkaroon ka ng income times like this, okay? So, you can be a writer, you can be editor, video editing, and maraming pwede. So, pwede mong i-maintain yung mga products mo. At the same time, magkaroon ka lang din ng ang tawag dito ng services. Okay, that's 1. Okay, so yun yung nangyari kay Doc G. May products tayo plus we're into services, then it's part of our businesses. Okay, second, I go to digital. Yan, so you go to digital, use internet, power of social media. So dyan pa rin tayo. So lahat na yan, naganap yan through internet. So YouTube na to, lahat na yan nagagawa ko because of the power of internet, of social media, YouTube, FB page, FB account. So i-maximize natin yan. Sabi nga, yan, nandyan na yan eh. So, yan na gamitin na natin. Huwag na tayong lumayo. Try to have businesses that you'll be using that. So, alam ko, lagi na itong naririnig, digitize your business, technology. Kaya wala tayong step na ginagawa eh. So, this time around, parang wake-up call para sa atin na buhayin mo yung negosyo mo. Okay, dagdagan mo yung source of income mo by using social media or the internet. Alright? And last, because, okay, so how did this become possible? Because of, yan, I have audience. So, meron akong solid audience. So, in my YouTube, I have 164,000 subscribers. In my FB account, 5,000 plus yun. May followers tayo. And may page, 15,000 plus. Okay? So, meron tayong solid followers. That's why meron tayong solid clients. Okay? So, yan yung sinasabi ko sa lahat ng may mga business. Dahil, sama sa social media mo, then develop more, more, good relationship with your clients, more engagement, try to answer calls, try to answer inquiries, try to serve them better by posting relevant news articles, videos, magagamit nila. Then, you are strengthening your followers. It's not all about just selling, sell and sell. So, walang mga content. So, just like my YouTube channel, that's why madalas tayo mag-upload kasi nga, marami tayong clients na iba-iba. I explained that already yesterday, na marami tayong mga clients na sineserve, okay? So, may mga OFW, mga aspiring entrepreneur, mga business owner na, mga leaders, employed with business, employed that wants to have a business, employed with side job, mommy, daddies na walang work, na nasa, may isa lang, naka-home base lang. So, marami tayong, so, audiences, no? That's why I'm serving all of them. So, kaya yung content ko, iba-iba po siya. Meron din tayong mga subscribers na mga pastors, yan, mga church leaders. So, kaya misa meron tayong pang sa kanila naman. So, something like that. So, I'm catering to all of my followers para mas dumami pa sila, okay? Kasi sila yung kliyente ko rin, okay? So, try to establish this. Okay, so 3 things that you need to do para magkaroon ka pa rin source of income. So, ulitin natin, provide services aside from products, digitize your business, and establish audience as much as you can, okay? Alright, so kung paano I can help you, I can be your mentor and coach, okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan natin. Kahit OFW dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayo mabago at mula nating buhay. Thank you very much, Gigi. Enjoy the rest of the day, yeah? Let's go, let's go.